How to delete your YouTube channel. Let's get right into the video. To delete your YouTube channel through phone, you don't have to open your YouTube app. You just have to go to any of the browser. I'm using Safari for now. You can also use your Google Chrome or other browsers. Now open any of the browser and type YouTube on the search bar and press go. Now here what you want to do is you want to convert this screen, which is phone screen, to desktop screen. To do that, you want to tap on AA on the left hand side of the search bar. Then you want to go ahead and tap on request desktop website. Now the screen will be converted to desktop screen. To delete channel, make sure you are logged in to your channel. To log in, tap on sign in. And then fill up the following login information and then log in to your account. To delete your account, tap on your profile, which is on the top right corner. Now in this pop-up, you want to open YouTube Studio, so tap on YouTube Studio. Then tap on the settings, which is on the bottom left corner. After that, you want to tap on channel and tap on advanced settings. You can change different settings here. Now to delete channel, you just want to scroll down and tap on remove my YouTube channel. After that, you want to type your password and then tap on next. Then YouTube will ask you if you want to hide your account or you want to permanently delete. To delete your account, you just want to click on both of the checkbox and then tap on delete my content. After that, you want to type your email address and then tap on delete my content. And that is how you can delete your YouTube channel in 2023. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope this video helped you out.